Welcome to week 15 in the garden. This week we've been cooking up a lot of dishes with eggplant because, as you can see, our eggplant is flourishing. Of course, grilled eggplant is always delicious, but we had so much eggplant and a ton of tomatoes and onions from the garden, so we decided to make our version of an eggplant parmesan. We had lots of fresh tomatoes and onions and basil from the garden, so we cooked up our homemade marinara sauce, and we breaded our eggplant with that homemade sauce and some fresh basil, and it was delicious. We didn't add any cheese because we like to taste all these fresh vegetables, but you can always add a vegan cheese, or if you'd like to use our recipe for a homemade vegan parmesan, check out our video on the spiralized zucchini and we show you how to make it there. We also prepared a smoky eggplant hummus, which was delicious. And you can find that recipe in our online cooking series in the snacks section. Those classes are available to purchase through our website, almostvegancookingschool.com. And we served our eggplant with some fresh carrots, and these carrots are doing great. They are in these planter boxes, which allows the soil to be nice and loose, and so they can grow really deep and thick, and they're just wonderful. In the past, we've planted these carrots straight into the ground, and the soil here in Colorado is really hard clay, and it kept them from really growing the way they should, and they ended up looking like Mickey Mouse hands. So with this loose soil, they're growing just the way they should. So we're checking in on our spinach now. We planted this second round of spinach a couple weeks ago, and we used the same seed packet that we used in the spring, and it came in nice and slow and steady in the spring, and it seems to be doing the same here. You can see it's starting to come in now, but kind of slow. Spinach does typically like these cooler evenings that we've been having, so we're hopeful that it'll come in a little stronger as the weeks go by. In the meantime, let's check in on our peas. We planted them at the same time. Our peas are doing great. In another week or two, they should be ready for a little something to cling on to and to climb. So we've been eating peppers all summer long. We have so many different varieties growing here. So this week, we pulled a great variety of peppers, lots of different colors and heat levels, and we decided to pickle them. So we just chop them up into some small dice and mix them with a little vinegar, salt, and pepper. Massage that for about 5 minutes and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours, and you have some delicious pickled peppers. We did the same with our cucumbers too this week.
We love hearing from you, so don't forget to leave a comment.